This Jaqua Realtors property video is presented by Jackie Megden. Condo living at its finest. Light and bright spacious 3-bedroom, 3 full bath condo is ready for you to call home. Have you spent more time working from home? This unique floor plan offers 2 possible home offices. The main floor offers great room with cathedral ceiling, stone stacked gas fireplace with blower for those chilly days ahead, access to deck and open concept to large dining area and kitchen. Kitchen offers granite counters, a plethora of cabinets, snack bar, and a massive pantry. Master has huge walk-in closet, duo sinks, shower and water closet. Second bedroom, second full bath, and den/office with access to deck finishes off this level. The walkout offers a 3rd bedroom with an enormous walk-in closet, family/rec room, 3rd full bath, bonus room which could be 2nd office or craft room or workout space. Abundant storage throughout this beautiful 2,594 square foot condo.